Hardwood floor color. Trends 2026. Hardwood flooring remains a timeless choice for homeowners, but trends evolve to reflect changing aesthetics and lifestyles. As we move into 2026, fresh color palettes are emerging, blending nature-inspired hues with modern sophistication. If you're planning a flooring upgrade or a new installation, here are the key hardwood floor color trends that will define interiors in the coming year. 1. Warm neutrals take over. The trend toward warm, inviting spaces is driving the popularity of neutral wood tones. Colors like honey oak, soft beiges, and light chestnut provide a cozy yet sophisticated atmosphere. These hues enhance natural light and make rooms feel more spacious. 2. Rich and earthy browns make a comeback. Dark wood flooring has always been a classic, but in 2026, expect to see deeper, earthier brown tones gaining traction. Think espresso, walnut, and deep mahogany wood floor colors. These shades bring an elegant and grounded feel to homes, pairing well with both contemporary and traditional decor. 3. Cool-toned grays fade out. Gray hardwood floors dominated interior design for years, but their popularity is waning. While some homeowners still appreciate soft taupe and grayish variations, the overly cool and industrial-looking grays are being replaced by warmer, more natural alternatives. 4. Natural and unstained looks. Gain popularity. Minimalist and Scandinavian style interiors continue to influence flooring trends, leading to a rise in unstained or lightly finished hardwoods. White oak, maple, and European oak in their most natural form are increasingly preferred, highlighting the raw beauty of the wood grain. 5. Coastal and sun-kissed tones emerge. Soft, beach-inspired wood tones like light blonde, whitewashed oak, and sandy hues are trending. These airy and relaxed colors create a breezy, vacation-like feel, making them perfect for coastal homes or contemporary spaces with a touch of warmth. 6. Red and cherry tones see a subtle revival. Although red-toned hardwood floors have been out of favor for years, a refined version of cherry wood is making a quiet comeback. Rather than the glossy, overly warm reds of the past, 2026 will see more muted brown-based reds that blend seamlessly with modern interiors. 7. Dark charcoal and blackwoods add drama. For those who love bold and moody aesthetics, deep charcoal and black-stained hardwood floors are trending. These colors create a luxurious and dramatic foundation, ideal for high-contrast interiors featuring light furniture and metallic accents. 8. Eco-friendly finishes and sustainable choices. Sustainability remains a key focus, influencing not just wood sourcing, but also finishing techniques. Natural oil finishes and low VOC stains enhance the durability of hardwood while keeping its color rich and vibrant. Expect matte and satin finishes to remain dominant, as high-gloss finishes fade in popularity. 9. Mixed tone and multi-width planks for depth. Combining different wood tones in a single space is a growing trend, adding depth and uniqueness to flooring. Blending warm and cool tones, or installing varied plank widths, creates an artisanal, custom feel that enhances modern interiors. 10. Wire-brushed and textured surfaces remain popular. Rather than ultra-smooth finishes, homeowners are opting for wire-brushed, hand-scraped, and lightly distressed textures. These enhance the natural grain of hardwood while making floors more forgiving to scratches and wear, a practical choice for busy households. Hardwood flooring in 2026 embraces warmth, natural beauty, and a timeless appeal. Whether you prefer light and airy hues, deep and dramatic tones, or sustainable finishes, these trends cater to a wide range of tastes and design preferences. Updating your floors with these emerging color trends ensures your home remains stylish and in sync with modern aesthetics.